We will guide you through how to make character AI remember things. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate the 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗 app on your device and opening it. Tap the app icon and wait for the application to finish loading before continuing. Once the app is ready, sign into your account or log in if you have not already done so. After the application loads completely, scroll through the character list and find the character that you want to chat with. When you find the correct character, tap it to enter the conversation. Give the chat a moment to load completely before continuing with the next step. Once the conversation is open, find the character details option inside the chat area below. Tap the character details option to open the available settings. After it opens, several options will appear on the screen. Look for the memory option and select it to open the memory settings for the selected character. Inside the memory section, find and press the Write a Story memory option to create a new memory. A text field will appear where you can enter the information that you want the character to remember. Type the memory into the available field and include all of the details that you want to save. You can write a short fact, an event, or a longer story depending on what you want the character to remember. Continue typing until you have fully included the information that you want to store. Before saving, check the text to make sure the memory contains the correct information and does not have any mistakes. Once you finish writing the memory, press the Save button to save it. Wait a few moments while the application processes and saves the new memory. Do not close the app while the saving process is still running. That is how you can make a character in 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗗𝗗 remember thing.